Hey guys, what's up? This is Juwan and it is Sunday night here in the month of March 2026, and this is another video all about how to make serious bank doing Uber Eats and DoorDash on an electric scooter. Now I have been doing this for a long time now, and I've probably done close to 1,500 total deliveries, but I just want to give you a little example of how much I made just this week on both apps. So here is this is my earnings screen. I hope that's focusing for Uber Eats. So over 600 bucks on Uber Eats. I hope that is focusing. And go ahead and pull up DoorDash. Okay, and so that's my earnings screen there for DoorDash, how much I made on DoorDash. I get a ton of orders on both apps. And that's how it is for me every single week. Uber Eats always overwhelms DoorDash, and the only reason why that is because when Uber Eats gets going, you get order after order after order, and Uber never gives you time to rest. You get orders coming in while you're completing orders, and most of the time I end up with 3 orders in my food delivery bag at the same time. So that's just how it ends up. It's not an expensive scooter, especially for the kind of money you want to make it quickly paid for. So it's not a $2,000 scooter, and it's $14.99. And so this is the Cabo Mantis V2 Fluid Edition, and it's you know, it's only $14.99, and this particular Fluid Edition model is sold on fluidfreeride.com. But there's another one that actually looks better, in my opinion. It's black and gold. That's sold by Voro Motors. It has a little different name, but instead of Cabo Mantis, and it's the same price. But this one, the Fluid Edition, is all black. And as you can see, I got mine tricked out a little bit. Got my bag here. I got my Kryptonite New York, forget about it, lock. And I got a really nice phone charger here. So yeah, so check out my channel, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right. Because look, there are many benefits to using an electric scooter. You're not wasting like what, half of your profit? I don't know how much. You're not wasting a ton of your profits in gas. It's an electric scooter that you just charge up an electrical outlet. You're not wasting a ton of time like you were driving a car. You don't got to worry about traffic. You know what? When the light is red, if I don't see any cars coming in the other direction, I'm gone. And there's a lot of traffic jams here in Atlanta, in like the downtown areas. Man, I don't wait in traffic. I get up on the sidewalk. I'll be zipping and jiving, man. And so I average every day. I average around 3 to 4 hours a day. Now on the weekends, I might do 5 hours, and today's Sunday. I took it easy a little bit. I took it easy, and I wanted to enjoy my Sunday. So I'm gonna teach you the right setup. You know, there are many things that you wanna have right. You wanna have the right scooter bag. You gotta have the right, because you gotta have the right battery for it. You wanna get a scooter that has the right battery. You want your phone to last, so you gotta have the right phone charger. You gotta have the right phone. You don't wanna just use any old phone. I recommend a phone with wireless charging. I recommend a phone mount that could charge your phone wirelessly. And so watch my videos, watch me ripping and running and riding around doing these deliveries, and I'm gonna show you how to make bank. Look, I make more money than a lot of people with an hourly job making $20 an hour, you know, and I'm not working 40 hours a week, you know, 20 hours a week, 20, a little bit over 20 maybe, and I'm making that much money. Okay, you add that up, that's over $700. This ain't even my best week, and it's fun, you know, all the other perks. Be your own boss, set your own schedule, and all of that stuff, you know. Subscribe and like my channel, and we can have some fun together. You watch me ride around and do some deliveries on Uber Eats and DoorDash. Take it easy.